Welcome to Sam and Fang Cooking. It's apple picking season and we have the perfect treat to make with all those apples. Today I'm making apple fritters dipped in a vanilla glaze. They're really fast and easy to make since there's no yeast like regular donuts. You stir everything together and fry. To get started, we need to peel and dice our apples into small pieces. You'll need around 230 grams of apple. That should be about 2 small apples or 1 big one. Now to a large bowl, add 90 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 18 grams of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Give that a whisk. Then add 1 egg, half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Whisk this until you get a smooth batter. Add your apple pieces and fold it in the batter until every piece is coated. Now we fry. Your oil should be at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I used a 1/3 cup to measure and drop my fritters in, but you can also use a large cookie scoop. You can make them bigger or smaller than this. Fry until golden brown on both sides. To make the glaze, mix 125 grams of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 35 grams of melted butter, and 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk. Add more or less milk to get your desired thinness, and mix until smooth. Dip each fritter into the glaze or use a spoon to drizzle the glaze over them. And that's it! These are so fluffy and filled with apples. Stop buying these at a donut shop and make them yourself. They're too easy not to. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.